Flash Lifting Taupe Gemstone Trainers Unboxing and Shoe Try On. These are in size 41, UK size 8, and they're women's. I seen these trainers. I seen a woman walking in them, and I just had to ask her straight away where she got them. And she told me the brand. I went online and I bought them the same day. They also have them in blue and in black as well. They have a little lift in the back, so it's more heightened than regular trainers, if you can see. And actually quite comfy on.